In this video, we are going to create section view layout sheets. In the previous video, we created this section sheet in the model space. Now, in this video, we will create these section sheets in the layout tabs. To do that, you need to go to Output tab, then go to Section Sheets. Then you need to select the proper details from this here, section view group and those things. For the layout name, I will change it as section view, and I will do it as next number, and starting number is 1, right? And increment will be 1 by 1, like 1, 2, 3, like that. It will be section view 1, section view 2, section view 3, like that. So it will also create a sheet set location, and we will not be using that very much anyway. So I go to create sheets. It will save the drawing before creating the sheets. And after some time, you can see here the layout sheets will be created. Okay, I will close this one. Now you can see section view 1, section view 2. Likewise, the name is given by as the same as the one we given in the layout sheet name, and you can see from the title block also we are getting same name as in the plan production, section view 1, section view 1, like that. So here you can see now everything coming into place properly. So if you feel like you are having uneven views, some views you have 2, in some views you have 1 section view. So if you feel like this is uneven, the best way to rectify this problem is you need to go to the model tab. Then choose one section view, then go to section view group properties, then go to this offset tab, click here. Here you have elevation rate. For the, instead of automatic option, use this user specify and select a fixed height like 15 meters. Then section view height option would be following a mean elevation of all sections. This may be problematic in some locations, but mostly it will work. So if your ground does not have so many variations, it will work properly. So I click OK now, and click OK again. Layout tab, and go to update group layout. Then I will select this layout and press enter. Now you will see most of the cases now 2 section views will be placed inside this viewport, like here, without any problems. In certain areas you might see the labels are going outside. You have to manually rectify them. Otherwise you can change this 15 meters to a lesser value. In here also you can see there is a certain problem in here, because you cannot see the edge surface going out. So there is a little problem here. In these cases you need to manually check that one, manually adjust that one. Currently this is the datum is around 85. No need to go to section view properties and go to elevations tab. Instead of 85 you can check 90 there and 105 to the top. There you can see now it works. So occasionally you may have to check these things if you change the viewport elevation ranges. Here also you may have to update it to separate value like 90 to 105. So there may be occasional problems, otherwise it will work properly most of the cases, right? So let us say we are going to create sheets like this. Then what you have to do is you have to export this drawing into AutoCAD before plotting, because if you still can plot in this view, but it is very slow when you are plotting that one. So the best way is to convert it to AutoCAD and plot the section views. Before converting into AutoCAD or before exporting to AutoCAD, it's best to update all the civil 3D things inside these drawings prior to exporting the drawing, like the labels are going outside here. So in these cases also you can sometimes use the elevation option to make it work like here. Here also we have that problem. We will try to rectify it. You can see now it's very close to datum anyway. It works, right? So like you can do some kind of modifications like that. Then you can save the drawing. Then you have to export this to AutoCAD. So we will export it now. We go here, application menu browser, go to export civil 3D drawing. So my export location is same as my completed drawing location. You can see here, and you can set the exported version. Currently it is going to export to 2013 version. So I click export. So it will export. So in the next video, after exporting, we will see how to plot these section view sheets.
Thank you for watching our channel. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to press on bell icon.